just like the cap. Then the round sleeve I'm working with is 8 inches, so I'm going to add like extra 2 inches, so that's 8 inches, that's 10. So I'll just come here, mark 10 inches here, 10 inches. Then I'll come down. I've already come down by 2 inches, so I'll just come down by 4 inches here, because I don't want it to be too deep. I'll come down by 4 inches here. I'll come down by 2 inches here. So we have 3 lines. Then you will get, then for the sleeve length, I'm working with 10 inches, then plus 2 inches for hemming. That's 12, so it's already correct. So I'm going to use the whole of this for my sleeve. Then I will just get this. I'll get this. Remember, I came down by 2 inches here. I'm not using this one. This is like my starting line. So I'll just come here, do something like this. Make sure it's touching the cap. Then you remember I came down by 4 inches. So then remember this width. I will just cut this like this. So because I want to use the full paper, I didn't start from here. Otherwise, I should have started from here, because this is my 2 inches. So what you do, let me come back again. Come down by 2 inches, come down by 4 inches. If you don't want the sleeve to be too deep, but if you want it deep, you can come down by 2.5 and 5. So that way, you know. So in order to confirm the armhole, so this one will be very okay for me. Okay, this one will be very okay for me for my video. So I can say for the back, yes, for the back, you don't have to come too deep. This is for the back, because even when we are drafting it, they were not the same. So this is for the back. When you are, in fact, when I'm cutting it, you see the way I'll cut it. So this is for the front. I'll just write men, so that anytime I want to sew, I'll know that it's a man's basic sleeve. So what I will do, guys, I've already added all my allowances. So what you do, you cut out the back first. Then for the front, you just take this off. So the front is usually deeper than the back. So this is the back. Thanks so much, guys. And in case you missed out on my pattern drafting video on how to make a man's shirt, kindly check it up on my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Bye.